Welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, where we feature stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. Babukeli Slana kade kudlala final yama Walter Sisulu Clinics soccer challenge win yona iLaMasia. I'm here with the captain iLaMasia, Sbuda Maloya. Please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
My name is Busiso Lusenga. I'm the currently captain of LaMasia, and yeah, that's more or less me. I'm from Pretoria.
Sbuda Maloya babukeli bethu. Sbuda Maloya ijeni yakhe injani wena njenge Let's Talk Development Football? We are encouraging intwana lezi encane ezibukelayo lana mawuqhamuka yonke intwana ufuna ukushutha nawe Sbuda. Ijeni yakhe iqala kuphi as a player?
Ijeni yami iqale njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngibuya ePitori from a very young age, and then I only came to Joburg at the age of 12, and I went to Stars of Africa Football Academy. That's where I developed for 7 years. From there I had to move on, and my time also at Sundowns Development. Then I moved on to come to LaMasia, and then they have been treating me as a family. I was part of the team that took the team to NFD.
Yes,
and then obviously we came down. We're now looking to take it back again, just to show that patience is a virtue. I could have let down everything. Tournaments like these, we come in and we're trying to show the dominance that we have all around Gauteng, and just trying to improve.
What can you say in that want to reach the level when that you have reached?
I think this is one thing that everybody says, but I still think it's very important. Listen to your coaches, respect the game, and also have patience. Because I feel like a lot of people have left football very early who are very talented.
Because they were impatient.
Yes.
Now for development of South Africa, are we doing justice? I know there are so many positives about Lemfuken, Fundo Villagas, and Kota. I can name a lot. Are we doing justice now? Because it's not only them. Now, that don't get the chance to reach that level.
I think currently as a country we are improving in that regard, in the sense that I feel like it starts up there. The coaches are now allowing young players to get the opportunity
to express themselves.
Chairmen are also saying, I want to sign these young boys. And I think for me, when boys look at Relays, they look at your Villagazis, they should be excited that anytime it could be their time. And don't forget, the last game you played is what everyone's going to remember you.
Thank you very much, Sbuda Maloya, and congratulations for winning the tournament.
Thank you.
Sharp.